guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Geraldine Mahuyadin Pilpak. So for today's vlog, we're gonna prepare the Putong Bigas. So here are the ingredients for my recipe for today. We have the rice flour, we have the baking powder, coconut milk, pinch of salt, sugar, and 2 eggs. So this is my ingredients for today, guys. I hope you will like this recipe and you can try if you want. The first step I did is I just mixed the coconut milk and sugar and white flour and also the baking powder. I'll mix it together. And I'm gonna add also the beaten egg. So this is all the ingredients for my recipe for today, guys. This is just a very simple and it's good for like snacks if you want. So we're mixing it until there's no like lump coming. So this is it. And after that, we're gonna sit aside this one for like 2 to 3 hours. So